Greetings to you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Martin Mashega. Welcome back to Shexa's YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the installation and configuration of Talk, which is used to monitor clusters or computers that work together. Alright. So Talk is an HPC resource manager, and Talk stands for Terascale Open Source Resource and Queue Manager. So we shall get into the technical detail in a few seconds to come. Right, if you like the stuff that I upload, please give me thumbs up, comment, share, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Let's get into the technical details. Let's open our VMware. This is our management node. Right, we just clear everything. Right. Here we need internet access because we need to install the dependencies, and we need to install Talk and its dependencies. So we need to copy we need to copy that. So copy this command. We need to overwrite this file, and then system control restart network. Right, once we have access to the internet, we can now run our commands. Ping 8.8.8. Right, we now have internet access. Let's now run yum install epel release. Right, it's running. Yes. Right, it's done. Let's now install lib2 OpenSSL devel. So we say yum -y install lib2 open SSL devel, then lib xml2 devel, boost devel, gcc or C++ from Git. Let's run that. Right, it's running. So this may take a while, but I'm not going to pause, because you may need to see exactly what to expect as your machine is doing the same. So let's do the installation. Let's just wait for that to complete. Right, so we have done this installation. It's complete now. This is what was running, installing all those things, all those. This is what was happening. Right, so installation is complete. Right, let's now install. Let's now get the installation files from Git repository. So we use the git clone command, and we use get https. Let me find the command, the link here. github.com. It must be adaptive here. Computing and talk. Kits must be 6.0.1 space 6.0.1, cloning into that. Let's wait for that to complete. So this one's going to take time as well. So let's just get back once it's done. Right, so it's running, 100% receiving, resolving, it's now done. Right, so let's now let's now get into this folder. Let's get into that folder and then run AutoGen message. Let's just wait for it to complete. Right, it's done. Let's now configure. Configure. Right, let's configure. Let it run. So this may take a while depending on the resources that you have on your machines. Now we can run make. If you want to run make and make install at once, you can do it this way and press enter. This will allow you to run make install just after make is completed. This will not wait for user input, but I want you to see the process of make. And then once make is done, we can go through make install. Right, so make is completed. It's now make. It's now run make install. Right, make install is completed. Let's now configure the management node. So what we need to make sure is we need to make sure that talk is using CentOS management. So we echo management into it's not supposed to be 2 there. Var put on there. Right, let's just check this one. We just check it. Right, we have that. Okay, and then we echo again. We now need to configure the library path. So to do so, we say echo check conf. Right, then we reload the configuration. Right, let's now add the nodes, the resources that we have. Vi var spool talk 0 give nodes. Right, so here we want to add the resources that we have. So you can check here, we have settings. We just need to check our processors. We have 2, so those are the resources that we want to add in here. So here we say insert, we delete that, and then we put as an example, we say let's just say management, and then number of processors is 2, enter, compute 1, number of processors is 2, compute 2, number of processors is equals to 2, escape and serve. Right and quit, escape, right and quit, right and quit, right. That is that. We are done with that. Right now we need to do the following. Now we have to start a talk authentication demo. So we say copy contrib system D. The system and they cannot start. What's the problem there? Okay, there are 2 forward slashes there. Okay, let's turn that. It's control system D TROD TRQ with D.service. Right, that one is done. Then we enable this service, system control, and enable TRQ with daemon.service. However, these commands must be executed while in the toggle install directory. Okay, created symlink from that. Okay, we have enabled it. Then let's start it. Alright, it's done. Let's check the status. Right, it's active and running. Okay. Alright, let's initialize dock. Start so set up root. Yes. Maximum open servers 9. Let's just wait. Right, cannot set talk admins. Let's just waiting. Could not connect to the server. Connection refused. Okay. Okay, we have to find where our talk is executing from. Talk is not found. Talk is not found. What about which? Right, user notebook in user local user no talk. Let's try. Okay. I want to open the notes file. There's nothing. Doesn't have any notes specified. Okay, let's now add our nodes here. Same management node. Insert. Management node. The same management node. A number of processes equals to 2. And then we have compute 1. Yes, has got number of processes which is 2. And then we have compute 2. He has got np equal to 2 as well. Escape. Right and quit. Right. After this we run contrib. Yes. System enable, and then we start it. We check the status. It's running, and then dot stock dot setup root, enter. Right, it's already running. Initializing talk root PBS already running. Run qtem. Right, so it's already running, so we can now execute qtem. Enter. So I don't know what happens with that nodes file. It disappeared. I think that's why we were facing that error. Now let's just wait for this qtem to complete. Okay, Q10 failed. With it or not, let's just delete this. Escape. Right input. Right. After this, let's just restart the TR auth. Just Ctrl C. Let's copy and overwrite it. Then enable and then restart it. Right, it is started. Let's check this status. It's active and running. Right. Setup. It's already running Q2. Q2 minutes. Right, connection refused. That's okay. Alright, let's now start PBS server. Country. System T PBS server service. Copy that to user. System D system. Right, system enable. PBS server service. Then we start the service. Let's just Google this. Alright, now I think I figured out the problem here. I think I figured out the problem. So all we need to do here is we need to change our IP, our network configuration. We need to change it back to static. Static here, and then we say yes, and then we system control restart network. Right, let's now try to repeat some steps. Let's start by restarting the talk authentication demo. Let's just start by copying cp contrib system d trq service. We copy this to user lib sys system d and then system, just like that. We say yes. Right, system using control yes, and airport trq not d service. Then we start this service. Then we just check the service that it's up and running. Let's now do the setup. Talk setup root move to qtem. Right, qtem is now executing successfully. Right, let's do copy contrib sys dbs service to user lib system d system yes. Right, system control and airport PBS server. Good save. And everyone is now started. It's now starting PBS server service. Let's check the status. Right, it is started. Okay, it's having that. Those errors anyway, it's okay. Let's now do the following. cp contrib system d pbs and schedule service. We are copying it to the user lib system d system. Right. Let's now enable system control, enable DBS schedule service, and then start it, and then check the status. Right, it's run, it's up and running, it's up and running. Let's now make packages. Let's make packages. I think this is the last. Yes, this is the last command in the management node. Right. Right. So here we're done. Let's now get into the client nodes. So for management node, we have to copy contrib system D that PBS mom service to user library system D system on all compute nodes, and that is supposed to be repeated. So we are doing this while in compute node in management. So we do scp contrib system D PBS mom service. We want to copy it to root and compute one in the folder user lib system D system. Right, that one has been copied. Let's do the same for compute 2. So you see, we are not doing this without being prompted. Right, let's scp top package mom to our compute nodes. Let's just say here the folder is pt. Do you have opt folder here? Let me assume we have it. And then here we want to go to top here. Top package top package Moab Linux x86 underscore cs4 dot sh. Right, we want to copy to root. Let's compute that. Let's copy it to the same for compute 1. It's copied. Right. Let's now get into SSH compute 1. Alright, and then let's get into opt. Right, and then let's execute the scripts. Did we copy, or let's just exit. Right, did we scp? So we scp country mom, right? We didn't copy clients, so we have to scp clients on mom there. We change from mom here to clients, right? And then we do the same for compute 1, right? And then we SSH compute 1, right? Boom. Now we get to opt, and then we execute talk. Okay, mom SSH install. Done. With the same, say client there. The client enter. It's done. Right, we are done installing these two on this node. Let's go and do the same in SSH compute 2. One, two, three, four. Right. Let's cd to opt. Right. Talk mom install, and then we do the same. Install. We're done. So configure the compute node library parts. That's what we're going to do now. Right, so SSH management, and here we want to scp etc ld so config to d /talk config into root it computes 1. So it's mashup of that into etc id dot conf to d. Alright, it's copied. Id conf. Alright, it's done. Let's do the same for commit 2 and then load. Right. Right, let's get to commit nodes SSH compute 2. Right, then let's make sure that the nodes are using management node host name on the internal node network. So to do so, we echo management to the file info talk 7. Yeah, right, we do the same. So it's enable PBS system control and enable PBS mom service. Right, it's enabled, it's now started. And it has started. Let's just check the status. And it's active running. Let's do the same for compute 1 SSH compute 1. Right, in there we echo management to over school talk server name. Alright, once we are done with that, we do system control and enable PBS Monday, and then we start it. After starting it, we check the status. Right, it's done. We are done setting up our monitoring software. We're done. Right, so if you have a web server installed, you have to disable the default behavior of creating a private temp TMP directory for services because it breaks the qsub and qstate commands. So to do so, we have to run the following command: user lib systemd system http d.service. So here let's user lib systemd system httpd dot service. Okay, and then we say private, just have to say insert and then private tmp is equals to false. Then we have to repeat this, right? Repeat. We have to repeat this for the for the other nodes. But now let's just restart the system control. Daemon reload. Right. System control. Restart http service. Okay, httpd is failing to restart. So maybe we don't need this. Right, so let's try to run it as 0 16 country. Restart httpd. Okay, it's fine. Let's SSH compute to this one. Let's just exit. Right. User systemd lib systemd system http d dot service. And then say private tmp is equals to false. Right, system control daemon load, and then system control restart http Okay, it's still failing. Anyway, let's get to. I'm sure that we are done. Let's just do a simple test. Let's say PPS minus A. So that connect Unix failed. PPS nodes cannot connect to server management. Error that could not connect to TRQ or D. Alright. Let's SSH complement and do that. PBS minus A. It's not showing. Okay, we have to do this in management. Right, so PBS minus A. Right, all the nodes are now showing a group, and then continue. Wow, we have successfully installed a monitoring the resource management system. Right, so congratulations, you have created a cluster. You now have monitoring software running. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Enjoy the rest of your day, but please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Last but not least, click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.